Namaste and good morning, class 7. Today we have exercise protection from harmful diseases and insects. This lesson is there. Yesterday in my previous video I had discussed about this lesson, how to protect our vegetables or other crops from different types of disease and insects in our agricultural land. There are some points like sanitation of land, like use of good quality of seed, like plowing the field regularly, alternative harvesting or crop rotation. So various points are there related to protection from harmful disease and insects to our plants, to our vegetable garden or other crops farming. And I think you might have learned these points. So now I want to explain questions from exercise. The first question is there: how do insects and diseases harm crops? Explain. How do insects and diseases harm crops? I write this. Insects and diseases eat different parts of the crops. Insects and diseases affects various parts of the crops. Some insects eat branch, other eats leaf, other eats some eat root, stem, etc. Likewise, diseases also damage various parts of the plants. Insects and diseases affect various parts of the crops. Some insects eat branch, other eats leaf, some eat root, stem, etc. Likewise, diseases also damage various parts of the plants. Then other question is there, B number. Write any 3 ways to protect crops from diseases and insects. 3 ways to protect crops from diseases and insects. There are many ways given, 7 ways. Among them you have to write only 3 ways and you have to describe also, not only point. You describe also these points. 3 ways. Then 6. Name any 4 pesticides used for curing seeds. Treatment of seeds. There is given adrene, linden, chloride. These pesticides you can write. I will write this because there is only 3 given. I will write 4, 5. B. Sorry, C number. This is C number. 4 pesticides are as 4 pesticides are as follows. Adrene, linden, chloride, adrene, linden, chloride, metalaxyl, etc. These are the 4 pesticides, medicine used for treatment of the seeds. They are mixed in the seeds so that seeds can be safe from the attack of insects and diseases. Then D number, anti-disease plantation is the best way to cure disease and insect infection. Explain it with examples. Anti-disease plant is given there. You can write from there, anti-disease plant. Only 3 sentences are there, no more long. So you can write from there. And then 2 number, think and write. Crop rotation is an effective method to lessen the attack of diseases and insects in plants. Justify this statement. Crop rotation is an effective method to lessen the attack of diseases and insects in plants. Okay, I'll write this. Now I will write this in your copy. I will clean this. Two number question. It is creative type question, and I have described this also. Even though I want to write again for you, so that it will be easy to think and write. Think and write. Crop rotation is an effective method to lessen the attack of diseases and insects in plants. Crop rotation is an effective method to lessen the attack of diseases and insects in plants. In this method, one type of crop is cultivated in one season in a field. One type of crop is cultivated in one season in a field, and other type of crop is cultivated in the same field in another season, and other type of crop is cultivated in the same field in another season. By this way, the insects or diseases that attack on the first crop there will be die in another season. They will not remain inside the soil because they will not another crop in another season. This answer is some long, but we have to express in this way. There is no other way for expression. Matter is only one there, but words are more. Expression is, we have to do explanation in this way. Again I want to read this. Crop rotation is an effective method to lessen the attack of diseases and insects in plants. In this method, one type of crop is cultivated in one season in a field, and other type of crop is cultivated in the same field in another season. By this way, the insects or diseases that attack on the first crop, they will be die in another season. They will not remain inside the soil because they will not if they will not eat another crop in another season. This is the answer. If we describe more, it will be more longer. So now it is not necessary to describe more. And other day I will start other lesson. Now you have to do all the exercise, whole the exercise of this lesson, all the questions. This is your homework, and learn also some. If you can learn some questions. Now I am to say you goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.